Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important! Make careful note of the routing of the right speaker cable for later replacement. Disconnect the right speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the right speaker cable from the routing channel on the fan. Remove the three 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the right speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the right speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover. Connect the right speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Route the right speaker cable through the routing channel on the fan. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.